Welcome to Anguilla on the 22nd of June. We are experiencing the Saharan dust storm right now in the Caribbean, so this is very strange. It's always crystal clear and blue skies here, and now for the last 2 days we've had this very aggressive cloudy overcast. So if you're familiar with Anguilla, you'll be shocked to see this, because it is very strange and ominous. But it just looks like it's been pouring rain, but it's not raining. This is all dust. Took the left down Cove Road. We're going to continue on. Hopefully we'll get to the beach and no one else will be there. Weird. All right, let's go. Again, so these aren't clouds. June 22nd, 2019. Anguilla, we're down at Cove Bay. Just kind of want to show everyone what's going on with this African dust storm, Saharan dust that's kind of engulfed the entire Caribbean. St. Marin's right here. You know, it just looks like there's a heavy fog. It's quite ominous, if you ask me. Not sure how healthy it is to be out here, so I'm gonna be out here a little. We normally do our run down this beach every morning, but I believe this is heading to Florida as well. But, yeah, strange.